Hello, this is Mike Anderson for your Essential Mortgage Minute. Today is Wednesday, December 7th, 2011. Man, it's cold outside, isn't it? Anyway, guys, this is very important that you need to listen very carefully to this. This is about the new FHA loan limits. Congress passed as part of the HR 2112 the continuation and the increase in the loan limits for FHA. Congress and a lot of people in the industry tried to get the loan limits increased for the Fannie Mae Freddie Mac, which really doesn't affect us here in Louisiana. But what they did was they, instead of increasing the loan limits for the GSEs, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, they increased them for FHA. So I'm going to go over some of these new loan limits with you. They do apply to the standard 203B, which is the standard 30-year fixed rate mortgage with FHA for condominiums and 1 to 4 family. It also applies to the 203H, which is for disaster loans if we've ever hurricane again, and it also applies to 203K loans for rehabilitation loans, for those loans, homes that you want to fix up and utilize FHA. All right, these loan limits will expire on December 31st of 2012. December 31st, 2012. Let me go over some of the loan limits that you're going to have. I am going to attach, in fact they should be above here, I'm going to attach for you in a PDF all of the parishes in the state of Louisiana with their loan limits from single family all the way up to a 4-unit property. These are all, again, once again now, owner occupied only, not for investments. But just to give you an example, like St. Tammany Parish, the maximum loan amount will be $287,500. West Baton Rouge, $280,000. East Baton Rouge, $280,000. Ascension Parish, $280,000. Jefferson Parish, $287,500. Orleans, $287,500. So I will attach this so you can all take a look at it. But now let me tell you one of the important things I need to tell you about FHA. FHA, by the way, they have been under a lot of pressure. They have fallen below their 2% capital reserve requirements dictated by Congress. So it's basically law. And FHA's market share has increased dramatically since 2009. And I think we all know why. After the subprime mortgage crisis and so forth, more people went to FHA. Now, Congress did pass last year that FHA had the authority to increase their annual mortgage insurance premium up to 150 basis points, 1.50%. Currently, it's 1.15%. So they have not elected to go to the 1.5% because Secretary Donovan is worried about that, what that will do for the housing recovery. And currently, FHA requires only a 3.5% down payment. Well, on December 1st, Secretary Donovan was before the House Financial Services Committee in a hearing, and was drilled pretty heavily by members of Congress. So here's what you expect to see happen. And if you got buyers out there are thinking about buying a home and they don't have a lot of money for a down payment, 5% or more, FHA is a great way to go. So get them off the fence and get them in contract soon. Because guys, you're hearing it here first. I'm going to tell you what you're going to see happen. Don't be surprised if you don't see the annual mortgage insurance go up to 1.5% down payment. Don't expect to see possibly an increase in the FHA minimum down payment. Maybe from 3.5% all the way up to 5% or more. We don't know. FHA has to shrink. They have to shrink their market share and try to go more to Fannie and Freddie and more private capital in the mortgage arena. So that's it for now. I just wanted to give you that heads up. Once again, I will have this attached for you. But get those buyers that are sitting on the fence, and don't forget to call your Essential Mortgage Loan Officer for all your mortgage needs. And pass this along, share it with your clients, but let them know that expect to see some changes very soon in FHA. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you all at the Christmas parties. Can't wait. Bye.